Respectable Mr. Ismail Sattar Saab, Chairman, Salt Manufacturers Association of Pakistan, Honorable Dr. Marcus Matthew, Professor, WITS Mining Institute, University of Johannesburg, Asian Productivity Organization and the National Productivity Organization officials, distinguished guests, participants, and stakeholders. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I think it's good afternoon by now. On behalf of my ministry, the Ministry of Industry and Production, I extend my greetings to all of you. Thank you very much to be a part of this very important conference. It is an honor and a privilege to welcome you all on the workshop on productive salt mining and value addition of salt products for international markets. I specifically like the word value addition. That's the name of the game. And on second priority is the international markets. When you add value, that is when you're going to fetch dollars in the international market. So the whole exercise of this workshop is to make your salt mining process efficient, add value, so that we are able to reach out to the export markets and earn the very important foreign exchange that our country needs. Ladies and gentlemen, the National Productivity Organization of Pakistan, operating under my ministry, the Ministry of Industries and Production, is mandated to enhance the productivity and competitiveness of key economic sectors. The very name suggests that. The National Productivity Organization is member of the Asian Productivity Organization, which is headquartered in Japan, acts as its liaison office in Pakistan, coordinating initiatives to boost industrial competitiveness. So this is very important because it's linked with the rest of the world through the APO. And they can learn from us and we can learn from them. And that's the whole purpose of being a part of key initiatives by my ministry and the Ministry of Industries and Production. I'll just very briefly tell you so that you should know what we are doing, among many other things. The first one is enhancing productivity through lean processes and energy efficiency in key sectors. And we've done that in textile, leather, tannery related to leather, automotive, gemstones, and sports goods. And this is done through a highly skilled National Productivity Organization team of professionals in collaboration with the Asian Productivity Organization and their technical experts. Just recently, 5 model factories have been developed in the surgical sector, and development of another 5 model factories in the printing and packaging sector is underway. Other key initiatives include revival of gemstone sector, which is very key for our exports, through skill development, certification, and standardization. National Business Development Program through SAVIDA, which is a small and medium enterprises development authority, which comes under our ministry. The Industrial Stitching Units Grant Program. The Ministry of Industry and Production is also formulating a comprehensive national industrial policy to promote sustainable industrial growth across Pakistan and to promote our exports. I am going to name this Export-Oriented National Industrial Policy. This is going to be the flagship of my ministry. Ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here today for productive salt mining to unlock its full potential and position it strategically for growth in international markets. Salt, often considered to be a basic commodity, which I also used to think, actually plays a crucial role in industries ranging from food production, which we know, but to pharmaceuticals, chemicals, and even renewable energy. Pink salt has been said to improve mental health conditions like depression, stress, and anxiety. But I recommend that you talk to your doctor before taking salt to reduce your stress because it might increase your blood pressure. But that's just a joke, but that means that's at least a new thing for me. Pink salt is also turned into lamps, statues, decorative pieces, and wall tiles. And that's new for me, and as they say, you learn every day. I learned that today. Its significance extends far beyond its traditional uses, and in the face of an ever-evolving global market, there are immense opportunities for its growth. The workshop that we are opening today, it's already open, is not only about improving productivity within the salt mining sector, but also about preventing mine collapses through learning effective techniques for mine stability and safety. This is very important because that involves human lives. And there is no way that in any mine the human life should be at risk. The second is improving productivity by optimizing mining operations with mechanized techniques. And third, the last but not certainly the least, is increasing the revenue streams by exploring new business opportunities in salt mining. This workshop brings together experts, industry leaders, and key stakeholders who will share their knowledge, insights, and strategies for overcoming the challenges in salt mining and value addition. It is through collaboration always, knowledge exchange, and shared expertise that we will identify solutions and opportunities to enhance the competitiveness of our salt products in the international market. I encourage all participants to take advantage of these sessions and the invaluable expertise of Dr. Marcus Matthew, who's come all the way from Germany. I also encourage